Welcome guys. Let's do Matic coin technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Current rank of Matic is 14 and price of Matic is $2.50 right now. Market cap of Matic is $17 billion. Fully diluted market cap of Matic is $24 billion. That is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of Matic is $1 billion. And circulating supply of Matic is 7.16 billion. Maximum and total supply of Matic is 10 billion. Let me please show you some information. All-time high of Matic was on December 27, 2021, about 7 days ago, and price was $2.92. All-time low of this token was on May 9, 2019, about 3 years ago, and price was just $0.0030. Polygon return on investment is 55,200%, which is very huge, and it is available on Binance, KuCoin, FTX, Coinbase. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange or FTX Exchange or KuCoin Exchange, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get these links. Click on links and after that register your account. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you first chart. This is Matic USDT pair 4-hour chart, and currently it is at $2.49 right now. And it is in this ascending wedge. And here's a support at $2.42 price zone and also a support of this trend line. If price break this, then next support zone is $2.42 and $2.25. But here you can see every time when price touches this trend line, price bounce back. Here you can see. That is why this line is very important to hold for Matic. And I think after that price have to move like this, and maybe price can touch this zone very soon, which is $2.68 to $2.70 price area. And this area is very important. Once Matic price break this area, in that case next target would be $3. And if Matic fails to break this area and fails to hold this trend line, in that case next support is at $2.42 and $2.25 price area and $2 price area. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. Candles break this EMA ribbon towards downside, and that is a bearish sign. We have to watch it very carefully because this area is very important to hold. And let me please hide this and let me please show you RSI. RSI is looking bearish and it is at 45. Maybe price may see some drop. Maybe we may see some price drop, but after that price definitely will go up. This area is very important to hold. And let me please show you let me please zoom this. If I took fib retracement tool from this zone, $1.44 previous bottom to top, here you can see currently it is in this zone, 0.38 to 0.23 fib level zone. It have to hold this zone, $2.36 price zone, which is very important zone. Once it break this towards the downside, after that $2.19 price zone is important. After that 2.61 fib level, which is $2 price zone, is also very important to hold. We have to watch these levels: $2, $2.19 and $2.36 price area. These areas are very important to hold. And let me please show you second chart. This is Matic daily chart. Currently Matic is at $2.49 right now, and it is facing resistance to break this area, $2.92. It has support at $2.40 and $2 price zone. This blue line is a support line. Here you can see after every touch price bounce back. Maybe price can go down to touch this zone, $2.39, maybe $2.30 price zone, but it have to hold this area. This area is very important to hold. If Matic price hold this area, in that case price action will be like this, and after that price have to hit again $3 price zone, and once Matic price break this, in that case definitely $3 will be our target. And if unfortunately Matic break this support zone, which is at $2.40 price area, Matic price can go down to $2.03 price area, and $2.03 it is also very important area to hold. We have to look these two areas, $2.40, $2.03 price area. These areas are very important, and if price bounce back from there, then $2.92 and $3 will be the next targets. Let me please show you some indicators. After that I will show you some fib levels for trading. First of all, EMA ribbon. This EMA ribbon is very strong, and it is at the same point where this box exists, where this trend line exists, and where this EMA ribbon exists. That is the same area, and it is $2.40 price area. That is why this is very strong support right now. And here you can see price break this towards upside, and after that we saw a move of, let me please show you, 71%, and this area is very important to hold. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you daily RSI. Daily RSI is at 54, and it is still above 50, and that is a good sign, and that is a bullish sign. Let me please show you CPR indicator, which is important indicator to hold. Let me please show you some new fib levels. These are monthly CPR levels, not fib levels, these are monthly CPR levels. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see these yellow dots are main CPR support lines, and candles hold this area very good, and that is very important to hold this box area. That is why, because of four supports, due to this CPR area, due to this box area, due to this support, this horizontal support, and due to this trend line, and due to the EMA ribbon, that is why this area, $2.40 price area, is very important to hold. Matic price, if hold this, next bullish target would be 3.19, 3.25 and 4.64, and if price goes down, then it is a strong support is at $2.17 and $2 price area, and bearish target would be $1.80. But I don't think price can go down to hit this zone. I think price have to hold this zone. Let me please delete this, and let me please hide this EMA ribbon CPR indicator, and let me please show you some fib levels for trading. Let me please show you. Let me please arrange this. Let me please do this. Here you can see it is very important to hold this area, which is same area, $2.40 price area, and once Matic price break this area, next target is $2.04, $2.04 price area, which is 0.38 fib level, and it is also the same area where our support exists. After that, 0.5 fib level, which is 1.77, and it is and this area is also very important. Here you can see price touches this, and after that price bounce back. These three areas are very important. 2.38, $2.40, $2.04 and $1.77. These areas are very important areas to hold. Let me please show you Matic weekly chart. This is Matic weekly chart, and currently it is at $2.49 price area. After creating top at $2.94 price area, it is respecting this yellow trend line, which is main trend line. And here you can see after every touch price bounce back. Here you can see here, and you can see here. That is why this trend line is very, very important. If price if price goes down, in that case this area is very, very important to hold. Maybe this area, $2.21 and $1.74 price area in weekly chart. These are very, very important areas to hold, and Matic have to hold these areas. These two areas are very, very important to hold, and these are the areas. And once Matic price broke this area 2.94, then it will create new all-time high. Let me please show you fib retracement tool, trend-based fib retracement tool, and let me please show you some fib levels for trading. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see Matic is trying hard to break to hold this zone, which is $2.40, the same area where this fib level exists, the weekly fib level, and after that 0.61 fib level, which is same area, $2.03 price area. After that 0.5 fib level, which is 1.76. That is why this area is very, very important to hold $2.40 price area. If Matic holds this area, and if Matic break $2.93 price area, next target would be, here you can see, $4.37 price area. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And please always keep supporting me. Take care.